Here is a picture, kind of blurry, but this is a creature from Devil's Lake, Wisconsin. I'm going to do a follow-up on this baby coming this coming summer. Here's another photograph of it. You can see it in the water. Here's another one. Another photo of the creature. And of course, we're going to check this out, see how credible it is. That's the best view I can get of that. Yeah, we're gonna check this one out, see how credible this creature from Devil's Lake is. I'll keep in touch. Ta-ta.